corner of his mouth, he will draw down and stretch down. If you want him to pick up, you do exactly what you do. You just catch it with your hand, Lisa.
Okay.
Like if he's lowering and you don't want it, just catch it. Just
Now, with these?
yep.
Okay.
If you leave a steady touch without a lot of leg, he will lower his head. If you don't want it down, just pick it up. Just catch it.
I do like it down. I'm not going to canter him, but I might just try to see what it feels like.
Sure. And you can post or sit. He's good with whatever. You can pick your own gait or your own speed. And give him a little cluck if he isn't feeling your leg like he's used to me. You're riding really loose, and I ride with a little more contact than that, but you can see that you can ride loose.